My people, things dey happen. Kogi State governor don go block all access road because of say wetin he wan throw party. This man wan do birthday bash. Because of that one, he can go block road. This man wey him name na Governor Yahaya Bello. Dem say this man get mind, block road. This road wey dey even lead to, they say government house, e leads to government house, and people wey dey come outside, na this same road sef na im dey go pass. This one dey for Lokoja. Say this man come bring armed forces. In fact, if you see the kind people wey im carry take block this road, e go surprise una. Una dey see wetin dey happen abi? Una don see say people wey dey bring this law, na dem dey break this law. Now una go bring law say no more party o, make dem stop to dey do party for street. I come surprise say this governor come gather mind, gather morale, say he wan do party, come block road. Na so una dey do una own things. And I even think say this law for Lagos, they don ban am say no more party for street. I mean, na only Lagos people na in this law dey for. I no know say for Kogi State, una get right to block the whole street. In fact, block the whole stadium. Say na wan do party. Na there people come outside, they complain. People wey dey pass, they come dey complain. Wetin dey happen? Maybe people dey go their workplace, they go their house. But because of say army don dey, you no go fit fight army now. They don't block road, say something dey happen. And they no dey give them legit reason, no. Now people just notice say today, now make this man birthday, now make this man come decide say he won't block road. Road wey be say people they pass, they go. And say this man put road traffic they dey for there. He carry police, plenty police put for there. Even road safety. Una see wetin our government, our politicians, they use our money they take do. You will be say all these officials suppose they their duty post. Road safety will be say now you suppose they control this traffic. As road don't block, now you suppose open road. Say, okay, I beg, governor, this kind of road where you block, it no make sense. I beg, open road for people, make people pass. Now you now constant gidigbam say, this road now today party day, so I won't block them. Police say, if say another person do this kind of thing, I don't dey place where be say party day shele. Police carry their motor, go even arrest person where they do party because of say waiting. Say because of say they block road. Now governor can't do this one now. Nobody come outside they talk about this whole matter. And I beg you, forget this whole thing. COVID don't finish. I just say COVID-19 day. Now make them say if they want to party, at least 50 people. This one now we say don't block road. How many people want to inside this place where you want to do party? And I not go even obey the protocol, the COVID protocol, and I go still they do them. So why not going to give us law, I beg? If on our people will be government, on our no fit obey all these kind of things, what thing are they pull law for? Because now on the first do one more. On I go first do one, now people go complain and I no go talk anything. But if na do na own, on I go find law, on I go find right on how to take justify am say because of say your party never do one for plenty times. Now make you won't do this kind one. This thing no dey correct, it no dey normal at all. This country now, in fact, everything don't even scatter. Because it means say laws where they bring. Now so normal citizens say they go break this law. Because people will be government, they know they abide by this law. Now so now bring law say party no more spraying of money. I sure say this party where this man want, in fact they go over spray money. He go even match this money, dance on top of him. And I no go surprise one police no go arrest him. Police go there, they smile, they even happy say them say they go chop price that day. But on top of waiting, now they spoil this country. Now this our politician, they part of people who spoil this country. Now they do things right. If you not take the necessary steps, people go to obey on. See other governors. In fact, if traffic they go stay. Say okay, I beg, we could even open this road. In case some people they do this. Now cause people go they pass another road. If another road no come dey, where these people won't pass. So now won't stop people daily activities. Some people now they will go work. Some people say their business will close for that day because of say waiting. Say governor they do party and indoor block road. My governor people, I beg, make they reason and well, make they think, they do things. Because now all these kind of things now go make people no go even vote for honor. So now see they like this, you go come outside say, you won't come outside for another term. Who won't vote for you? Now there they go count out all the bad things what you don't they do. They go forget the good ones. And the ones where you don't do way bad, now they will come they focus on. And as this one being a people they para, people they vex about this whole thing where you do. So I don't know, maybe you go still get time. Time never to go. You first still help them open door. Maybe people pass. At least if you even open, just open and small. Maybe they do their daily activities. Do your party inside. Maybe people here will get peace. So that people not going to complain about this your matter. My people now this one now here I can't make a bring and come, making a use na ear. Here waiting our governor they do. Anything where I feel making I not forget to write them inside the comment section. Making I not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video. This one na double murder suspect. This man wey kill him wife and him pikin. As all the whole matter go, this man come talk say na him wan be him own lawyer. And I don hear this kind one. You know, say na only abroad na this kind thing dey happen for. And they talk say this one happen for Florida. Oyinbo people, una no go stop to dey make me laugh. You kill person, you can't still get the mind say you wan come defend yourself for matter wey you know say wetin you do e no even good. This man dey talk say him name na Ronnie O'Neal and him from Florida. The girlfriend wey him kill, the girl name na Kenyatta Baron, and the daughter wey be 9 years old, this girl name na Ronnie Nivea. They talk say this man use hacket take kill then these two people. You know, surprising na how person go use hacket, and I know it be hacket, axe. He use axe wey dey sharp, use and take kill him pikin. Now there they come summon this man go court say okay, as you don't hear your own case of this story, you sef come. The person don already die. We don't hear wetin happen. But you sef find lawyer, come defend yourself. Now there this man come say okay, now him wan be him own lawyer. Make una watch video of how this man dey disgrace himself, say him be lawyer.
Neal, representing himself, shouted at the jury during his opening statement.
And the evidence is going to show that law enforcement tampered with evidence. The evidence is going to show my son did not see me murder his mom. The evidence is going to show he did not see me shoot his mom.
You ready to proceed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just saw my dad holding a shotgun and my mom and mom screaming at him.
And your father had a shotgun. What happened next? What did he do?
My mom ran in my sister's room. My mom ran in my sister's room and terrified into the closet. And then my dad said, "Come in here and come kill the B-word."
Did you hear any shots from the shotgun before that?
Yes.
How many times?
One.
Was there a time when your mother was able to get out of the closet?
She was like stumbling outside, and then I just saw my dad chase her.
What do you remember happening next?
My dad told me to walk around and say like some words.
And do you remember what words your father told you to say?
Allah Akbar.
Allahu Akbar?
Yes.
How you doing, Ronnie?
Good.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Did you see me shoot your mom?
No.
Did I hurt you that night of this incident?
Yes.
I did. And how did I hurt you?
You stabbed me.
But I don't see the rubbish where this man just stand dey talk. This one even mumu still go even wear suit. Saying they claim to be lawyer. Some Igbo people they don't even get sense. But the matter be, the talk say the 8-year-old son, they say this man even stab this boy. In fact, this stabbing even affects his intestine. But as God go do him, this boy no die. So now this boy come outside now, come talk everything where really happen. Talk say the papa come house, come they shout Allahu Akbar. This one no be Allahu Akbar. Saying they shout Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now they ain't carry knife, start to they kill people. I come they want you sure say this man never color. You sure say mental case never reset this man brain? Because how person go just dey. If say you be Muslim now, go say you be Muslim. The Muslim terms of where they try talk, you know they even talk and well. Now another thing you they mention, you can't decide say, now everybody now you want to say I say even finish if you can't use gas, take burn down this house, you won't put this house down on fire. I can't they wonder. Say this, I'm not sure say this man they okay at all. But him now, as in come as I say below, in they try defend himself, say in wife they attack in children. Say the wife won't kill the children, they ain't gonna attack the wife, kill. But how come you take attack wife? Come kill your pikin self join. Now they ain't gonna talk say okay for this whole matter, he won't bring out in pikin, as in pikin make him pikin because be in defense. Now there they ask this boy, boy, did I hurt you? The boy say yes. And I say where pikin don't they cast him, papa. Say did I hurt you? The boy say yes. Say how did I hurt you? The boy say you stabbed me. Now then the man start to a para. Say, there is no evidence. There is no this one. See, oh, the boy thinks the man thinks him picking go lie for her. You were killing mama. You know how this boy go to feel. If say this boy not even there alive, we sure say police and the court self go even believe say this is where they talk na true. The thing where even wants this whole matter. Now they talk say this man, I think they even give this court. He even they talk and well. Now so they shout, they talk like mumu. Now the judge self say this man he know they correct. Say no way because person wey dey well, you know they shout on top of judge wey be say you suppose they even talk small. They beg and make him reduce your jail sentence. Now there you can't decide say now shout you want they shout. This one na madness in corporate attire. Because as in dress like this, me I sure say this man don't dey mad. They don't mix cocaine and weed give him before he come this place because he know they okay. Person wey dey okay go find better lawyer because all the thing when they talk them, the thing never make sense. How you go kill your own pikin? And I don't say this kind of murder case. In fact, now the whole world everywhere they hot as it be like this. People just they kill themselves for no reason. This one now in the talk say he won't even die like Biggie. Once it concern Biggie, concern you. You don't go even come your own case self now double murder because this one now you kill your pikin, you kill your wife. Now God even say, I sure say they go even still add say you burn down the house and you even stab your pikin, they go still add them to them. So in fact your jail sentence now I sure say they go even kill you. All this one way they do it. Oh, people wanna get time. Oh. This might even still get time. Go do in that stand. They talk. That person know they okay. He said in Nigeria, that said they go even baba. Give you a donny, scrape your head, make you be like a mad person. Make you know so you really mad. This one now where come the form say I not going to support myself say this or people they go still give them bill. Because you know all these American people, their own law is very different from African law. So they first even pity themselves, say give them bill, saying you know where maybe something they were saying they sick. Because I sure say this man they sick. Or maybe they even go overwatch all this movie. You know all these movies how they take kill person. I sure say this man don't overwatch this film. Now make a constant up say he won't go to kill his family. All in the name of Alu Akbar. My people, now this one now I say now I know say Oyinbo self madness dey inside their DNA. If they run through their vein, not be only black people. Now in they mad. Oyinbo self they mad, but their own madness is they very corporate. Now this one I say I can't make her bring and come make myself using her eye. See what thing they happen for Florida. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like, share, and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.